Hey everybody, it's Brad at Dayport Brothers LLC out in Versailles, Ohio. Going to do another walk around video followed by an operational video on this 2018 JCB 85Z1 excavator that came in and we're putting up for sale. Like always, I'll walk around, I'll get close to everything, I'll talk about the features and functions, point anything out that I see, then we'll start it up, move it around, stick up and down and boom in and out, bucket, lift itself up with the hydraulics, kind of run it through its paces. As always, if you are in the market for a used excavator, a used piece of construction or farm equipment, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. Your subscriptions and likes help other people who are looking for similar machines find our videos, and we truly appreciate them. So this one is a 2018 JCB 85Z1 cab heat air, auxiliary hydraulics, tag coupler on the front, Kohler diesel engine, rubber tracks, 63 kilograms for an operating weight. Does have the backfill blade, 2,954 hours. I'll get up close to everything here. Started it up, it runs good, the hydraulics are strong. It does have a small bucket, and like I said, it is the tag style coupler. There is some play in these pins up here, and there's a little bit of play in that coupler, which is pretty common for that style coupler. If you're familiar with them at all, there's always a little bit of play in those. I do not notice any cracks or welds in the boom or the stick. No patching anywhere. That all is actually pretty straight. The backfill blade is very straight. The cutting edge on it is getting wore down a little bit, but it's very straight. No patching or welds on the back side of that blade either. No cracks that I can see anywhere. It's actually pretty straight as far as that goes. This pin up here, the main center pin, was actually fairly tight. Like I said, the hydraulics are really strong. Rubber tracks, they are starting to get some cracks in them here and there. Tread life, I'm going to say tread depth is probably 20-25%. I think I'm being fair there, but there are starting to get some cracks in them, as you can see here. Still some life left in them, but they are starting to get wore. Sprockets are good, as you can see here. Plenty of life left in the sprockets. As you can see, the paint on this rail here is still pretty decent. Everything around here, this is fairly straight back here. All the way around there is fairly straight. And then when we get over here, we've got some dents and dings and scratches in the sheet metal here, as you can tell. Kind of dented up here, there, scratched up there. This shield here is tweaked just a little bit. As you can see, it doesn't come all the way down to here, but it does open and shut. We'll show you that here in a minute, and you can see it's up just a little bit right there. Again, this side of the boom and the stick both look good. I don't see any cracks or welds on either side, like I said. Tracks match up pretty good on this side, about the same as the other side. They're starting to get some cracks in them here, there. There's one right there. Take a look inside here. As you can see, everything up here is nice and dry. See if I can get this engine compartment open with one hand. Kind of hard to see in here. Everything looks pretty dry in here as well. I don't notice any diesel or oil running down the block here. Kind of hard to see. I can't get the camera in there very far, but what I can see in there, it's nice and pretty dry actually. I don't notice any oil or diesel running. Go take a look over here in the cab. This door has a pretty big ding there, and it doesn't latch up completely. It latches, excuse me, but it doesn't seal up very well right there where that dent is. But it does latch up. Sorry, I used the wrong word there. Floor mat's in good shape. Everything right here. We have not washed or swept this cab out or anything, so you're seeing exactly how it came to us. So there is a little bit of dirt down here on the floor. Both your pedals are good. Your sticks are in good shape there. The seat is in good shape. I don't see any cuts or tears or anything in the seat. All your controls are good over here. The dash lights up good. 29.54 on the hours. HVAC controls are back here. Both armrests are there. Both of your handles are in good shape. All right, like I said, this one's a 2018 JCB 85 Z1. We'll get right into an operational video.